Welcome to another District 75 AI tutorial. Today you will learn how to use the D75 Station Planner on Magic School. To access Magic School, begin by searching in your browser, then click on the Magic School website. Magic School is approved by New York City Public Schools, so start by logging in with your New York City Public Schools login. Here on the Magic School homepage, you will see all the teacher tools available. As you can see, there's a lot, but at the bottom, there are new specific D75 tools available. So today we are going to use the D75 Station Planner tool. These are the different prompts and sections that you need to fill out in order to create the output for your stations. So first you'll want to select the grade level. I'm going to leave it at a 10th grade level. Time for group work, 20 minutes. Then I'm going to paste in my goal. Students will demonstrate their understanding of fact families with sums up to 20. Students are in high school, but their present level of performance for math is an early second grade level. Additionally, at the bottom, you'll choose the number of students participating. I put 6, and then click the purple Generate button at the bottom. Here you'll see that Magic School begins to provide a large output of information, standards, differentiation, timing, all sorts of information in its output. Take a moment to pause here, get logged into Magic School, and begin to answer those prompts and generate your own D75 Station Planner output. I'll briefly show you what it put out for me. So the standards and objectives, students will demonstrate their understanding by identifying equations, building fact families with visuals, manipulatives, kind of outlines the stations there with different differentiation notes, timing, and then it gives the station tasks with explicit examples and information, materials needed, with even more specific differentiation. So kind of just reviewing this, you always want to review your output, really looking over, getting the ideas, writing it down. Then I notice at the bottom, there's other things that Magic School selected. You don't have to use these, but I'm just going to show you what it might look like to play around with the options it suggests. So it says that it can create an exit ticket with the choices. So I'm going to select that and see what it generates for me. As you can see here, Magic School clearly generated an exit ticket for each of the 3 stations with clear examples, directions, as well as teacher information to fill out at the bottom. As you can see at the bottom, it continues to offer more resources and ideas that it can generate. A lot of times Magic School will offer to create a PDF. Typically, though, Magic School is unsuccessful in creating the actual PDF. For example, this exit ticket, it is unable to create the PDF of the exit ticket, but I can briefly show you how to use another tool, Canva AI, to create that exit ticket for you. Since Magic School is unable to create that PDF exit ticket, I'll just briefly show you what I would do. First, I would copy the output it gives me. Then I would head to Canva, using the Canva code feature, directly paste the output that Magic School gave me, leaving all this in there just to provide as much information as possible. From there, Canva will begin to generate the exit ticket using the information I copied from Magic School. Again, Magic School wasn't able to create the PDF or the exit ticket for me. It gave me all this information, and here I will use Canva to just format it into the exit ticket. As you can see, with just pasting directly the information from Magic School with no other directions, Canva was able to format, create a symbol supported exit ticket for me. From here, I'll click Use in Design and open it in a presentation in Canva. From here, you can see the details, the information provided to me. From here, you could use a lot of different Canva tools to customize this further, text, symbols, elements. but this is just a quick demo of how you could take that information from Magic School to generate additional resources. It's important to note that as you begin to explore these tools and implement them in your instruction, that you are continuously reviewing the outputs and making adjustments to best meet your learners' needs and maintain integrity in your instruction. Use AI responsibly and consider the environmental impact. For more information or to provide feedback, please visit www.d75stem.com/AI. Thanks for watching.